lightning strikes me, and I wake to find that you're not there. You're not there, baby. What have I gotta do to make you want me? What have I gotta do to be heard? Now what do I say when it's all over? When sorry seems to be the hardest word, such a hard word. It's sad, so sad. It's a sad, sad situation, and it's getting more and more absurd. It's sad, so sad. Why can't we talk it over? Oh, it seems to me sorry seems to be the hardest word. What have I